not too long from now, in the near future, we will hear from the races and beings living under our oceans. Did you really think there's nobody living under this water? Why 90% is undiscovered? Because they have protected their territories. That's why no one could ever reach them. Very soon, we're gonna know about them. They're gonna rise. They're gonna come from the deep waters. We're gonna see them. They're gonna make themselves known as everybody. And everybody is here for us. Don't forget about our planet is hollow. Inner Earth. The King of Kings is living there. He has sent messages in the early 1960s and 70s. He has sent messages through explorers that came there, that they've welcomed. Have we forgotten?